So this is my haul so far. Also just in time for Valentine's. Ooh, girl. This one's my favorite. It's called Coroner's Kiss. This is lip gloss, so that's cool. This is also that Magic Star setting powder. Unicorn Blood. I've been waiting for this. And of course, the iconic Conspiracy palette. We got that Skin Frost and the big boy. Skin Frost called Sarcophagus. This is the final object, the final countdown. Y'all already know what this is. If you don't, then you just don't know. For those of you that don't know, it's the hand mirror. Alright, here we motherfucking go. Got that iridescent mirror. So kind of the whole point of this was because I bought a fake one back when, just for shits and giggles, and now I have the real one. Just so I could do some compare and contrast. You can already see the color mix up here. There we have it, folks. That's it.